Alright, so I was at Five Below and I found this thing. It's a arcade fun portable gaming console, which kind of looks like a Nintendo, Game Boy Color. We got some random ass characters in the front. Got Robin Hood or something. Goten and Raven from 2 seconds ago for some reason. It's ages 8 plus. It includes one gaming console, 3-inch. Yeah. It has a rechargeable battery, transparent design. It's easy to carry supposedly. Perfect for travel and commutes, camping trips, waiting rooms, relaxation time, taking a break from screens. 200 classic games. Alright, let's open this. Alright, so I took it out and alright, I guess I cut it open. Let's see. Let's take everything out one by one. Alright guys, so we got these cables. I don't think TVs even use these anymore, but I have one. I don't know what to do with them now. Let's see what else is here. The charger, which is, I actually don't know which kind of charger this is, but should be fine. Alright, now for the main thing. Oh, a battery. Wait, this is a battery. It has like a replaceable battery. That's awesome. Look at this. There it is. It actually looks similar to like a Game Boy Color, at least from what I've seen online. Except for like this, you know. Alright, so it just made a weird noise when I put in the battery. Alright, look. So I'm gonna put in the battery. I can't put it in now. Look, it's on. It made a weird noise earlier. Okay, 201. It's loud. I'll lower this. By the way, this was like $12. I have the receipt here. That right there. Okay, so look, we got 2 things that I bought, and right here, Port V game, $12. Space Invaders. Hold on. Wait, is this actually Space Invaders? Alright, let's see, what is this? Is this just like one of those gem games, or is it like Tetris? It's just Tetris. I'll get this. We're watching a pro at playing Tetris right now. Alright, that's enough. Alright, now that I'm done, this is kind of meh. I mean, it's pretty good, I guess. It's just an emulator with like a bunch of like old knockoff games. Other than that, it's pretty good, at least for the quality of it. I can't get over. Okay, this is just like a regular button, like my phone button. Like, hold on, it's like this. Listen, it's basically just like that, but these feel like so weird. It's like so hard to press it in. Like, you know what I'm saying? These don't have a sound. These don't have a sound either. But this, the D-pad feels kind of weird. Like, it's oddly soft and like hard to push in. It's just a regular button. I don't like that it makes like a loud noise. Obviously, it's like a fake console. It's just an emulator, fake games. So I rated it a 5 out of 10. I'm gonna keep this actually. So I am gonna like keep it so I can play whenever I don't want to use my phone as much. So yeah, leave a like and subscribe. Help me reach 40 subscribers. Also, now that I mentioned it, thank you for 30 subscribers. Goodbye. Yeah. Like, you see that right there, that yellow thing?
Yeah.
Look. It was like, okay, so it was look, it's burnt. It's burned. It was all normal, and then all of a sudden,
I guess me failing Tetris burnt the.
Oh my god! I just fucked up the I just have like a useless game now. That's so fucking dumb.
You can't return it?
No, Because obviously it's damaged
I
now.
heard like alcohol bottles.
Oh no, it was the glass bottle. So basically, look. So I came out here. I was gonna put the battery back in, like, cause I thought it was getting warm. I just look at it, and I noticed it started burning. So I take it out. I don't know where the paper's like right over there.
Yeah, I see it. It's black.
Yeah. And then I'm like, oh okay, like now I have to deal with like a sticky thing. And then like I have my finger next to it, and I get burned. Look at my finger. Look at my finger. My finger.
Where? Oh crap! Wrong finger.
Look at that.
Wait.
I'm gonna take my feet out. Look at that shit. I got burnt. Oh god. Hold on. I think I can open this because
Dude.
I need to get rid of this. Like, it was literally sparking, and I got fucking scared. I'm about to throw this outside. I'm gonna throw this outside. I'm about to throw this. I'm about to ditch this. So, I guess post video review. It's shit and dangerous to own.